Hey there everyone! Today in this video I'm going to show you how to shape your eyebrows in 2 minutes, or at least in the lowest time possible. So anyways, I'm going to start off by brushing my brows with this. I don't really know how this brush is called, but I wanted to switch it up and use something different, and I feel like this is something we all have in our makeup drawer, but we really don't use it as much, and I feel like it is usable, like it does work. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking some brow pomade, and I'm going to be using this one, and I'm going to start by applying it at the bottom of my eyebrows, and that is going to define the lines and the shape of my eyebrow. And then I'm going to start to fill the gaps and the sparse hairs. Okay, so here I'm just basically doing the same exact thing and repeating the process. This is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just pretty much just filling the gaps and kind of blending with my brush so everything is super nice and smooth and it doesn't look harsh. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking this concealer, and this one is the Fit Me by Maybelline, and so this one is in the shade 10. And remember that your concealer always has to be a little bit lighter than your foundation or your skin tone, I guess. And we are going to blend it super well with this tiny brush, and that is the key here, to blend everything really well with a tiny brush, and then afterwards switch to a bigger one so everything is very blended and smooth. Okay, so now that I blended both of my eyebrows and they look super nice and blended, this is the completed look. I hope you guys really like this video and can recreate it. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye bye.